Hi everyone, welcome back to Juragan DevNet mini project. Today, I just want to show you how to check your file system or available space for any network devices from any vendors. I know this is a small thing, but it's important to make sure you can copy your OS image to maybe 1000 devices or even million devices successfully. Checking file system for your devices is one of pre-check items, okay, that we need to check it, right? So before I walk through the Python script I created, let's check the prerequisite. Okay, let me show you the script. Okay, for the prerequisite, right? First, we need to import the RE. So this RE is for regex. So this Python script, I combine the netmiko with a regex to get the actual value or size of the network devices, and also file system in on the network devices, and also the image size of your iOS image or OS image. Second thing is you need to import the os.path. Okay, this os.path will tell you where is your file located and to get the size of your OS image or iOS image. And netmiko, we needed to SSH to your network devices. And the last one, the important thing is threading. Okay, this threading will help you to run the tasks at the same time or simultaneously. So let's walk through the Python script. Here, if you can see, I created a function with name check file system, and also variable SSH CFS. So the CFS is stand for check file systems. Okay, to check whether is there any available space on your network devices or not. But this SSH CFS actually is required for login purpose to your network devices, because if you can see here, the key inside this dictionary, right, is device type, IP address of your device, username to log in to the device, and password to log in to your devices. Okay. And also I never forget to put try and exception. Okay, it will tell you if your Python script not able to SSH to your devices. It will tell you to check your network connection and make sure you can SSH to the devices. So it's possible that it might be you have a network issue, or even maybe it's blocked by your firewall, or even maybe it's ACL. It's blocked by access list in your devices on your devices. Okay, first line is net connect. This net connect is required to parsing this variable, okay, this key inside this dictionary SSHCFS to your devices for login purpose, okay, to create the SSH sessions. And then I have a host variable. This host variable will collect the showrun, include host name. Okay, and then I have another variable with host name, okay. I use the Python regex to collect the exact hostname of your device. Okay, and then the device space is required to collect the one line. If you are doing dir boot flash, include bytes. So if you are using Cisco devices, it will tell you like this, one line. Okay, the bytes total use and the bytes total free. Okay, and you will have the variable image size. Okay, image size actually to check is required with OS path get size. Okay, to check how big is your OS image and located at your PC or laptop or servers. Here I'm I want to check, actually I want to copy this image, okay, cat9k iOS XE17 0605 sp.bin to my network devices. Then I want to check whether the current file system storage, okay, on your network devices is available or not. If not, then I cannot copy this image to, of course I cannot copy the image on this iOS image to my network devices. And I combine this to collect the exact bytes free only. So if you see here, with combination with Python regex, I can collect the 0 bytes free number. Okay, so I just want to collect this number, okay, for the bytes free. So if I can collect the device space available and also the image size on my laptop, then I can compare with if selection to check whether the device has an available space for the OS image or not. Here in first statement, it will check, okay, it will check whether the device space, current device space is less than image size or not, or iOS image size or not. If less than the iOS image size, if sample, okay, if you can see here, second, to restore the image, okay, let me clear. Okay, if you can see here, right, the image that I want to copy has size 1 GB, around 1 GB, right? But the device router 1, I can see 0 bytes free. Okay, meaning if we back to the script, meaning the device has 0 bytes free is less than, right? Then the image size 1 GB. So it will print the exact host name and will tell you that this device not enough space on device, okay? But if the device has space or less than the image size, okay, example, your device have 2 GB and but the image size is only 1 GB, it will tell you that this host name, exact host name, okay, has a space available on that device. Okay, actually I implemented this to one of the biggest bank in Singapore to check about 4,000 devices. Okay, since I just want to know which device does not enough space, right? No, does not enough space available. So I disable. Okay, I don't use this else statement. But here in this video, just want to show you how this script will tell you which device does not enough space or does not enough available space, and which device has available space. Okay. Okay, first is let me check the device first. Okay, if you can see here in router 1, 0 byte free. So if I execute the Python script, it will tell you that router 1 does not enough space on the device. And if router 2, if I can see here, it's about 8.9 GB, meaning the router 2 has space to copy my image. My image only 1 GB. Okay, so let's start to execute it. I can check file system. Please wait for a while since I have a slow connection to the device. Okay, if you can see here, right, as expected, router 1 will show or will print out not enough space on the device, because in router 1 the byte free is totally 0, right? And then on router 2 we'll have output space is available on device. See why? Because the router 2 has 8.9 GB available. If you see here, KB, MB, GB, 8.9 GB, and the image that I want to copy is just 1 GB. Okay. Then how if we remove some images, OS image, okay, in router 1. Example, I want to remove these two. I delete these two OS image. I will remove it. I will delete it. Now I check the free bytes. Okay. If you see here, right, KB, MB, GB. Now the router one have 1.7 GB and the device is only 1 GB, meaning the router one now has a space available to copy that image to this network, to this router one. So let's execute the script again. Open check file system. Wait for a while. Okay, now if you see, right, router ones will tell you the space is available on this device, so you can copy your image to this device. And router 2 still have space available on the device because we don't copy any image to this device. Yeah, I think that's all for today. By the way, you can clone the script at our GitHub Juragan DevNet. Feel free to modify, or even if you want to combine the script with our previous Juragan DevNet mini project to copy OS image to 1 billion devices, also you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. If you are thinking this video is good, please share with others who need it. See you in next Juragan DevNet mini project. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.